So I do have an iPhone here and I want to protect it with some protective cover, which we have here. This is the Silicone Case from Apple. This is how it looks like inside the box. There we go, we can grab it out. It is rather solid, we can't really turn it that much. And it's white. Now the only thing we need to do is align it with our phone and press it in. Your phone might jump on sometimes, but that's just normal. Just make sure to turn it off. It can be a bit rough to get the edges in, but now it's in here and the buttons are highlighted here as well, so you can just still use them. Even the silent button is still available here. You can see this part is totally free. You can put your loader in, the speakers and the microphone is free, and here too, everything is free. So all the important parts are just accessible.